Hi everybody, my name is Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial uncovers another great song by the Rolling Stones. It's a song called The Last Time, written by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards. The Last Time peaked at number 9 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1965. So we're going to perform the song first, then we're going to break down the chords and the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beat Buddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great Rolling Stones song, stick around. We're going to get started right now.
Well, I told you once and I told you twice. You never want to listen to my advice. You don't try very hard to please me. What you know, it should be easy. This could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I'm sorry, girl, but I can't stay. Feeling like I do today. Too much pain and too much sorrow. Guess I'll feel the same tomorrow. This could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh. Well, I told you once and I told you twice. Someone will have to pay the price. Here's a chance for you to change your mind. 'Cause I'll be gone a long, long time. This could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time, I don't know. Oh, oh. This could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time, I don't know. Oh, oh, oh.
Alright, let's break down this song for you. We're going to first of all have a look at the chords that you're going to need to know to get through this song. Then I'm going to show you how to play the verses. I'm going to show you how to play the choruses. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you that opening riff that I incorporate into the Acoustic Lounge version that really helps set the tone and helps identify the song. It's a great opening riff, and it's really easy to play. With that said, let's start with the chords that you're going to need to know. The first one is an E major. You're going to need to know a D chord. And lastly, you're going to need to know an A. That's it. Those three chords are going to get you all the way through this song. So let's take a few minutes now and have a look at a little bit of strumming and the chord progression. All right, that's how you play the verses. It's very, very easy. Let's slow it down for you. As always, I'm going to put the chord charts up here for you to follow along with. The song basically starts on the E major chord. Here we go. To the D, to the A. E, D, A. D, D, A. Well, I told you once and I told you twice, but you never want to listen to my advice. Don't try very hard to please me. What you know, it should be easy. And from here, you jump into the chorus. Let's take a few minutes and have a look at the chord progression and some strumming to the chorus. Okay, the chorus, very easy to play. It only uses two of the three chords that you need to learn to get through this song, the A and the D. Let's slow it down a little bit so you have a better understanding of how I play it. Basically, starting on the A. Here we go. This could be the last time. This could be the last time. Maybe the last time, I don't know. Oh. Very, very easy to play. All right, let's take a few minutes now and have a look at that opening riff. Let's break down this little riff that the Rolling Stones incorporate into their song, and I use as kind of an opening riff to the acoustic lounge version. As always, I'll put up a little something here, a little chart for you to follow along with. Let's have a closer look at the individual notes that you're going to need to know and where they are. The first note is an A, and it's actually located 2nd fret, 3rd string. From there, you're going to slide up, staying on the same string, to the 4th fret, and that's actually a B note. After the B note, you're going to go to the 3rd fret, 2nd string, and that's a D. Back to the 3rd string, 4th fret, the B again, and then to the 5th fret, 2nd string, and that's an E. It should sound like this. And then basically, you just simply go back the same way that you came. Going back then to the 3rd string, 4th fret, to that B, going back to the 3rd fret, 2nd string, to the D, then jump back down to the 2nd fret, 3rd string, to the A, and then end on the 2nd fret, 2nd string, C sharp. And that's it. Now, it should sound something like this, speeded up just a little bit. That's it. That's it. Like anything, I know once you've practiced it several times, you'll get her down. I know you will. So there you have it, The Last Time by the Rolling Stones. It's a great, fun song to play. My name is Troy Hawes. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.